Hi, this is Simon. So today's snippet is about planning and forecasting. God, the thought of producing a financial plan for my business was something that I didn't really want to entertain all those years ago. But if you think about creating a plan, this is the same thing, right? I'm going on holiday. I'm going to Edinburgh. I live in Hertfordshire. I've got no dashboard in my car. I've got no satellite navigation system, and I've got no map. How do I get to Edinburgh? I know it's north, but I don't know how I'm going to get there. Same is true of your business. If you're not planning and forecasting within your business, how do you know when you've reached your destination? How do you know what the layovers are? How do you know what the stop-off points are on the way? So you need a plan that has milestones in it that says, I'm going to stop on the M1 at junction 18, I'm going to stop on the M1 at junction 27, whatever else it might be. A plan for your business to get to your destination. Absolutely crucial. And as part of that, you need a sales target and you need a sales forecast to enable you to realize the income so that you can plan your expenditure so that you can reach your destination with the right amount of cash in the bank. Knowing where you want to get to and how you're going to get there in your business is fundamental, and you need to write it down. That's today's snippet. Hope that's helpful. I've been Simon Nelson.